Thanks to this trading journal I built in Notion, I'm able to capture every trade, review my performance and analytics, monitor my watch list, manage my accounts, and follow my trading routine, all tied together in one place. After countless iterations and valuable feedback from early users, I've refined it into a system I can rely on every single day. In this series, I'm not just going to show you the highlights, I will walk you through the template step by step so you can see exactly how each page works and how everything connects behind the scenes. Let's start with the most important part of any trading journal, which is the trade logging section and its core details. Here on the positions page, we have a dedicated database where every row represents one complete trade idea, not just a single order. You would normally start by creating a new position using these buttons, but for now, let's walk through this using an example position that's already been created. Let's open this position in SitePick. Inside, you will see a set of context fields under Relations. This is where you define the story of the trade, what you are trading, in which account, position setup, time frames you used in your analysis, and the other tags that matter for this position. Once these are filled out, this position becomes the container. And next to the position details view, which is this view, you will find a dedicated logs database. This is where you record every transaction tied to this position, each scale in, scale out, any partial fills, even a simple one-shot buy and sell. Every time you add a new row here, you are logging one execution of that position. Here is the juicy part. You can log manually or jump into the original logs database itself and import a CSV from your trading platform using the Merge with CSV option to quickly map your broker's fields to the logs database and bulk import executions. Just remember, after importing, you will still need to associate those logs with their correct positions so everything stays grouped under the right trade idea. Now, let's return back to our position. Here, the template automatically calculates all these executions as one trade and updates your average entry, average exit of that position, also updates P&L and R multiple in real time as you input stop and target levels or add and edit logs. So, no buttons to press, no extra steps required. In short, the positions page is the source of truth for your trading history. Every analysis, chart, and statistics in the template flows from what you record here. The workflow is simple. Create a position for each trade idea, fill in the context, log every execution in logs manually or via CSV, and finally let the template handle the calculations and analytics for you. The watch list is your central database for market analysis on each ticker. You can write down trade ideas, including context and market conditions, define date ranges, and add annotated charts to track price development, or even you can embed your video analysis. It keeps your preparation and execution connected. Ideas start here, and you can trace them all the way into actual trades and outcomes. Once you have identified and tracked your trading opportunities in the watch list, the next step is turning those insights into consistent improvement. The review page is where real growth happens through daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly trade review templates. These templates give you the structured prompts, so you're not just thinking about trades, but actually doing repeatable, high-quality reviews. You will also find review analytics that break down insights and patterns from your trade logs. Here, the analytics page gives you the truth in numbers. This is your central hub for slicing and dicing trading data with powerful pre-built views. Slicers act as global filters across all related tabs, letting you zoom into specific tickers, time ranges, accounts, etc. It lets you answer precise questions like which of my setups made the most money last quarter. And we have a charts page designed to visually support the analytics page and help you read the data without getting overwhelmed by the numbers. It's filled with charts, as the name suggests, and it's organized by your trade context fields. It pulls live data from your positions database and displays it in side-by-side views. It's designed for fast visual feedback so you can spot shifts in performance in seconds instead of digging through raw tables. The scaling page focuses on how your position sizing and scaling decisions impact your trading performance. It separates strategy quality from size decisions, so you can see whether you are scaling at the right times or just randomly increasing risk. You can use global filters called slicers to filter all views and narrow down your analysis by specific criteria like date range, tickers, accounts, or setups, making it easy to focus on exactly what you need to see. The best and worst page highlights your strongest and weakest trades in one place, so you can quickly see what's working and what's hurting performance based on your slicer selections. You can then turn these examples into playbooks and pitfalls so you can know exactly what to repeat and what to avoid. The Inner Demons page tracks your most frequent trading mistakes so you can see which psychological patterns are quietly draining your performance. Use it as a monthly check-in to spot problems you keep repeating and design new rules or habits to break those patterns. Instead of feeling like I keep doing this, you will see hard numbers on which mistakes show up the most and how expensive they are. The accounts page, as you might guess, is where you manage the financial side of everything. You can add all your trading accounts, log incomes and expenses, and see monthly line charts. The routine page helps you maintain consistent daily habits, track your daily and monthly progress, and check whether routine consistency actually improves your P&L. You can finally measure the connection between discipline and performance, instead of guessing whether your routine makes a difference. We also have a gem list for tracking unlisted items and a well-structured NFT tracker that centralizes the performance, balance, and history of your NFT positions. These sections keep edge cases and side bets organized so they don't contaminate your main trading stats and reviews. Next is the reading tracker, where you can add books you have read and take notes on educational material. Over time, this becomes a personal knowledge base for your trading education, not just a list of finished books. Here, the goal tracker offers a priority system to help you stay focused on what matters most. It turns vague intentions into clear, trackable targets, so you can see whether your behavior actually matches your goals. So, in summary, the Ultimate Trading Journal offers all of these features. It's fully customizable, you can suggest new features through the user portal and help shape its development or modify it yourself to suit your needs. Thanks to Notion, it avoids rigid templates. When used with AI assistance, it can even mentor you based on your own data. It's an intelligent, flexible trading journal that integrates with various apps and for advanced users offers API capabilities for deeper integration. That's all for this video. You're now ready to begin.